Imagine paying for ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini every single month, and still only using each one for the one thing it happens to be best at. Aymo AI puts all of them in a single account. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up in under 5 minutes. Here's what we'll cover. First, what Aymo AI actually does, and why it's quietly replacing 4 separate AI subscriptions overnight. Then, how to run GPT, Claude, and Gemini side by side on the exact same question. After that, how people are already charging real money setting this up for small businesses and busy teams. And by the end, you'll have one AI workspace instead of 5 logins and 5 separate bills. So what is Aymo AI? It's an all-in-one AI platform. One account, 51 plus models, including GPT 5.6, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, and Kimi. It's built for anyone tired of switching tabs and subscriptions just to get a second opinion from a different model. The founder built it after personally paying for ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity separately. 4 logins, 4 bills, and 0 way to share any of it with a team. Aymo AI replaces all of that in one workspace, and it can save you up to $60 a month compared to stacking subscriptions one by one. Here's exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Go to aymo.ai and create a free account. No credit card required, ever. Step 2. Pick your models from a single drop-down menu: GPT, Claude, Gemini, or any of the 45 plus others sitting right next to them. Step 3. Type your question once and run it across multiple models at the same time, side by side, so you can see instantly which one actually nails the answer for your specific task. Step 4. Install the free Chrome extension so you can summarize a page, draft a reply, or generate content anywhere on the web without ever opening a new tab. That's it. No setup guides, no API keys, no config files. You're comparing frontier models side by side inside of 5 minutes, which is the one feature that makes Aymo AI worth switching to on its own. It's built for freelancers comparing outputs before a client deadline, teams that want everyone on the same models without 5 separate invoices, and anyone who just wants one place to think instead of 5 browser tabs. Now here's how you make actual money with this. Small businesses don't want to manage 5 different AI subscriptions. They want one dashboard and one login. You can set up their entire workspace, pick the right models for their specific use case, and add their team seats in under an hour. Freelancers and consultants are already charging $150 to $300 per setup, or $50 a month to manage it going forward. Post a simple before and after, 5 logins and 5 bills versus one clean dashboard, and clients notice fast. You'll find these clients in local Facebook business groups, on Upwork under AI Consulting, or just by asking the small businesses you already work with which tools they're currently paying for. Let's talk pricing. The free plan gives you 1,000 messages a month and access to the core models. No card needed at all. Paid plans start at $4 and climb to $25 a month for unlimited messages. Every one of the 51 plus models and team seats included. Honest verdict. If you're currently juggling more than 2 AI subscriptions, switching pays for itself in the first month. If you only open ChatGPT once in a while, the free tier alone is already enough. Which AI subscription would you cancel first if you switched to this? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Follow Patapo AI. New AI tool every day. No hype, no fluff.